In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can GTA roleplay here on PC. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, what you're going to want to do is open up a browser of your choice. I'm using Google Chrome for this, but you could use whatever you'd like. And essentially, what you're going to want to do is download fivem. So search fivem and then hit enter and go to the first page right here where you're going to see a download client option. Go ahead and select that. And then, of course, go ahead and accept all these terms of service. And it's going to download the fivem.exe file. Select this, hit download client. It's going to start downloading for you. But make sure, of course, that you do have the correct GTA version before downloading this. You are going to need to make sure that you have the legacy version of GTA 5 through Steam, Epic Games, or Rockstar. fivem will not work with the enhanced version, only the legacy version, but essentially go ahead and open this up. And when it launches, you'll see like another option to go ahead and accept terms of service. Go ahead and do that. And then look for this play button up towards the top left and select it. And you're going to see all of your servers on here. Choose any server that you want to go ahead and join, hit connect on it, and it'll load you into that roleplay server, where if it's your first time loading in, you'll be prompted to create your character, and after that, you'll be good to go and ready to start roleplaying. But that is it. That is how you can roleplay on GTA using fivem. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.